It's about 20 inches of snow, isn't it? And how old are you going to be on Monday?
4.
4. Okay, let's show them the snow. This is our porch.
I get it clear as a bell.
Yes, this is Asheville. You can't even see the little table. It's about 20 inches and it's still coming down.
At least there's nothing.
Yum, yum.
Good. I mean, the wind's blowing and it's cold, but there's nothing on the trees.
Fire going. Chili on the stove.
Well,
Ben's
like
been
I
out
said,
shoveling
it's
snow all
now
morning.
an inch or two deep instead of being 24 inches.
Look at that picture out there. Isn't that gorgeous? This is our living room. And you see the dining room. Ben shoveled the walk this morning, and it's already covered up again. And I shoveled all the snow off the front porch, and it's covered up again. I'm actually standing in the cul-de-sac, and you can hardly see the curb. But we're at the end of the cul-de-sac. It's our neighbors. This is great. It's hardly like Asheville. The wind's supposed to kick up tonight and get really, really cold. Looks like it's already starting. Here's our red station wagon. We parked it up at the top of the hill so we could get out. Smart, wasn't it? But this is our neighborhood. And our house is right down at the end of the cul-de-sac there. You can see the very tip top of it. Great. This is more snow than we had in Highlands when we had the biggest snow there. It's about 20 inches now and it's supposed to continue to snow all day. It's so cold there are hardly any kids out there playing, but yes, I'm out here videotaping like an idiot. But it's fun. This is March the 13th, 1993. So long. Our backyard is downhill, but it's a lot of woods, and there's a stream right there. You can't see it because of the snow, but the kids love to play in it. A walkway to our back door. You can see how deep it is.
Continue to
Mom,
the northeast, some of the snow not being
we
detected.
do it, Mama,
That's
in
before the sun is
there.
radar. We just had a changeover in the town, 90 minutes to.
Drew, look.
I keep making a program. It's already 2 feet deep.
It's 2 feet deep? Wow.
It's usually only a half an inch.
Yeah, and then it melts the same day, doesn't it?
But this will only last till one day.
Mm-hmm.
Private school.
Ooh, that wind. Corey's going to shovel for us. Corey, look at me. Uh-oh. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening. This is our deck now. We've got about 24 inches. Here's our table and chairs. And it's still snowing. It's another table and chairs. about 7:30 or 8 o'clock at night, and it's still snowing. This is the driveway that Ben shoveled today. Can't see it, can you? The only difference in Asheville and Highlands is our electricity is still on. But just in case, we got the oil lamps out.
Katie's getting into this survival thing.
Yep.
I think she actually would like for it to happen.
It's exciting. A little adventure in your life. Let's look at the porch now.
It's gonna focus on the door, Kay. I'm telling you.
We can open the door. Oh no! Here we are. Here's our porch. There's our table. That little hump in the middle there. There's our other table. My goodness. What about 24 inches now? Probably more. We won't let the kids play on the porch because we want to see how deep it's going to get, and it's still snowing. You can see the flakes in the air. Maybe. Here we are looking out the window. The kids played in the snow all day yesterday, but you can't see any footprints. Look how deep it is. It's about 24 inches on our deck. It's the next morning, and it's finally stopped. And the sun's out. The wind blew so hard last night, it blew all the snow off the trees. It's really thick on the ground. Isn't it gorgeous? You can shovel the whole driveway yesterday. Let's do it again this morning. Go slide down the hill. There he goes. Hey, what's tomorrow?
My birthday,
And how old are you going to be tomorrow? 4. And you got a good birthday present because you got a bunch of snow to play in, didn't you?
I want to tell them what movie I got. I got a Ninja Turtle movie. It's tomorrow's birthday.
Yeah.
I got some presents in my grandma's room. The Ninja Turtle.
And here comes Drew.
Yes, Drew.
Bro, that wind's cold. Drew,
Oh,
let me see you go down the hill. Wait a second.
I can hold it. No.
It's a deep snow.
God, it's deep. Oh, God. What's so God?
Y'all have to pack it down. Go in the same spot every time.
I'm riding on a horsey bag. Yahoo!
What?
Riding on a horsey bag. Mama, check this out.
It's a gorgeous day. It is cold. Corey. Corey. Hey there. We've been shoveling. See how deep it is? Trying to get one person out of the driveway. Our neighbors. Doesn't look like Asheville, does it?
Right on the hill.
Here comes Drew.
Hey, Drew. Look at Corey. Where'd you go?
We're worn out from exhaustion already. Come on, Corey. You coming with us? Whoa! This is Sweden Creek. Not many cars passing today. Our little Corey's trudging right along. Little southern boy. Hi. Yeah. Boom. Right in the snow. Here's my man. Tough, isn't he? Hey, Ben. Hey, Ben. You got something to say?
What?
You got something to say?
No, nothing to say.
This is Asheville, isn't it?
Yep. Gotta get the other car out now.
Well. Here's our crew.
What it looked like, they said it was too cold.
Yeah, tonight's supposed to be the coldest night of the year. It's a gorgeous day.
It's 20 minutes to put the insulin in it in the morning. Insurance
really?
does not cover it, and the thing's over $5,000, and every month it's over $400 maintenance.
For that pump?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
And they don't feel like at this time, you know, if that's for people who really cannot control it any other way.
Yeah.
And right now, you know, she's doing okay. I have dropped my camera in the snow so many times.
Does this look familiar? That's right, it's the Pizza Man sitting in our chair on our porch. Pizza, pizza! It's Corey talking on the phone to Zachary.
Just go in a little because it hurts my ears.
Let me talk to him. Yeah. Say hey, Nick. Talk loud enough so he can hear you now.
Hi,
Now he's talking to Nicholas.
what are you doing? What are you doing?